In this video, we will show you the features, specifications, and more things about Audi Skysphere. So what comes into your mind if you read or heard Audi Skysphere? Does this supercar fly? So stick until the end of the video and let us all take a peek at this luxurious supercar. Before tuning in, make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and of course, tap the notification bell for more videos like this one. Audi has introduced the first concept car in a new family, a stunning roadster. The Audi Skysphere concept is the name of an electric-powered two-door convertible whose lines go directly to the Audi design of the future. When the vehicle's interior is transformed into an interactive environment, it provides a platform for thrilling experiences. It's also created by driverless cars, a seamless digital ecosystem, and a completely redesigned interior. Audi's Skysphere concept vehicle highlights how the business is reimagining in the coming years, and that's not just about traveling any longer. The conceptual system was designed with the evident purpose of offering its occupants a captivating and world-class experiences at a reasonable price point. The Skysphere idea includes interiors that serve as an interactive place. As a result, individuals can easily speak with and control cars. The entire platform will provide an enthralling experience. The new experiences are made feasibly by technologies such as digital ecosystem, major advances in interior design, and self-driving vehicles. Furthermore, the Audi Skysphere concept emphasizes a future of consumer encounters. It's not just about driving, it's about having world-class experiences as well. The concept includes two distinct driving sensations in the same vehicle: grand touring and sports cars. This idea also includes a changeable wheelbase. The wheelbase may change by 250 millimeters, thanks to sophisticated components, an electric motor, and slidable frame components. A factor of 10 millimeters can also change the floor elevation. It has the potential to increase driving comfort as well as driving experience. You may switch the entire experience from touring to sports with the press of a button. The concept's exteriors place a greater emphasis on lines. The lines are what make the actual distinction. The Skysphere places a strong focus on a wide, agile track. The tall hood and small overhang provide outstanding proportions in the front. The curved surfaces of the wheel arches and the bonnet give the vehicle a distinguishing appearance. Furthermore, the vehicle's back end appears to be that of a Fast. The rear's big glass surface adds to the elegance. In addition, the front of the Audi Skysphere design features a single frame. White LED components are used on the single frame and other neighboring surfaces. These LED lights also operate as effective visual frames during vehicle opening and closing. Furthermore, the daytime running lights draw attention to the lighting components. The car's rear view has a slew of LEDs that run the length of the vehicle. They designed and implemented dynamic lighting sequences. When you switch modes, for example, from grand touring to sport, the light signature changes proportionately. As a result, the lights plainly show a difference in the vehicle's overall character and posture. The term Skysphere captures the entire design concept. The sphere represents the area around the passengers. As a result, the design places a strong emphasis on the interiors. The concept of the Skysphere also includes autonomy at the level 4 level. As a result, in some instances, the driver can delegate complete control to the vehicle. As a result of this circumstance, there is an increased risk of path-breaking encounters. As a result, you can conceal all control elements such as the brake, steering, and accelerator. Controls can be hidden entirely from view. You create more spacious spaces. That is, you can experience many sorts of independence. It's a more tranquil experience. Furthermore, the interiors of the Audi Skysphere concept are devoid of controls, resulting in expansive spaces. Large legroom adds to the level of comfort. Due to the obvious digital ecosystem, you can also utilize the internet and communicate with individuals worldwide through email. The world-class spaciness and use of sustainable fabrics in the fabric contribute to more pleasant environments. Furthermore, whether the driver wishes to drive the vehicle, the interiors are transformed into driving machines that are ergonomically correct. Most of the functions are placed in the most convenient spot for the driver to access them. Large touch interfaces, 1415mm broad and 180mm height make it simple to access infotainment systems. As a result, you may video chat, watch movies, or browse the internet while on the road. The high-quality audio system produces audio that is comparable to that of a concert hall. Surround system effect is available. The Audi Skysphere idea revolves around the occupants. It has nothing to do with simply driving from point A to point B. It goes further than that. In its Grand Touring mode, the sheer removal of controls and the length of the cabin provide a unique sensation. It's not just about changing the wheelbase. This option allows you to design scenic itineraries complete with wonderful restaurants. As a result, your drives will be more memorable and pleasant. You can also connect to an onboard streaming provider for infotainment. Audi is also considering new tailored experiences such as invite-only concerts and gatherings. As a result, it's a platform of knowledge that extends beyond simply traveling from point A to point B. In sports mode, all visual characteristics are altered. The side rocker dashboard extends into the rear wheel arch on both sides of the vehicle. It moves backward because of the varying wheelbase. The rocker panel is joined to the car's front end. When you move the panel, it slides to the back under the fixed door. As a result, the wheelbase will be shorter, and it produces a significant visual difference. This distinction is not only technical, it also alters the whole driving experience. As a result of this, the Audi Skysphere concept certainly embodies two personalities in a single vehicle. These motors have a power output of 465 kilowatts and a torque output of 750 Newton meters. This much power is sufficient for an 1800 kg automobile. On the back, the weight distribution is roughly 60%. This configuration generates a lot of acceleration and traction. The concept can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4 seconds. Also, the batteries are hidden behind the cabin. With this, your agility will improve. A few battery modules are housed within the central tunnel that runs between the seats. It denotes proper positioning for optical dynamics. The Audi Skysphere idea has an 80 kilowatt-hour battery capacity. With this, you will be able to go to 500 kilometers on a single low-cost charging session. Skysphere is designed as futuristic supercars. Their unique design puts the passenger experience in front and center rather than subordinated to technological demands. It is mirrored in the interior's erratic layout and the cabin's wisdom. The Grand Touring mode not only allows both passengers to have a smooth and comfortable journey, it also allows them to take advantage of a variety of additional service options. These can be used to access a range of services related to the current journey, such as building a beautiful route or choosing a restaurant or hotel. Customized infotainment choices include connecting the onboard streaming service to home music and movie services. Aside from that, Audi plans to provide customized and exclusive options for customers who purchase its luxury automobiles in the coming years. Concerts, cultural events, and even sporting activities are examples of events only available to those who have received a special invitation. A car such as the Audi Skysphere concept, for example, will be transformed into a platform for activities that go beyond a typical travel experience in a few years. The word sphere speaks volumes about the concept's role in Audi history. While the company's first 111 years were focused mainly on the journey, cars were designed for performance and grace. The experience, the sphere around the inhabitants within the cabin, may emphasize the future. Yes, the Skysphere looks impressive from the outside. Nonetheless, it devotes a significant amount of energy to the interior space to comfortably handle long-distance travel while remaining ready to direct attention to the driver whenever necessary. The future Grand Sphere will be evolved into a production supercar as quickly as possible, with showrooms opening as early as 2025. If you're wondering whether Audi's entire lineup will follow this new vision, don't hold your breath. So what do you think about this supercar? Let me know your thoughts and comment down below. Before the video ends, please do not forget to click the like button, share the content, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell for more updates and videos like this one.